Hello and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome 3. You will be able to carry out simple statistical analysis using spreadsheet functionality. Today's focus. Are you ready to unlock the power of spreadsheets for statistical analysis? In this session, we will explore how tools like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets can simplify data analysis. You will discover essential functions that transform raw data into meaningful insights. Spreadsheets are versatile tools for performing statistical analysis. They offer user-friendly interfaces for both beginners and experts. Functions like average and median make data summarization easy. With built-in formulas, you can calculate complex statistics quickly. Let's explore how these tools can simplify your data analysis tasks. Descriptive statistics summarize data with key metrics. Functions like average, median, and mode are essential. These functions calculate mean, median, and mode effortlessly. Standard deviation and variance measure data dispersion. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions. Frequency distribution provides insights into data patterns. Use the frequency function to count occurrences within ranges. Pivot tables offer a dynamic way to summarize data. They can categorize data and calculate sums and averages. Learn to visualize data distribution effectively. Assess relationships with correlation and regression analysis. The COREL function measures linear relationships. Regression analysis involves calculating slope and intercept. Use scatter plots to visualize regression lines. These analyses reveal connections between variables. Hypothesis testing compares group means statistically. The t-test function evaluates differences between groups. Chi-square tests check independence in categorical data. These tests validate assumptions with statistical rigor. Mastering them enhances your analytical capabilities. Begin analysis by inputting data into spreadsheets. Use descriptive statistics to summarize datasets. Create frequency tables for data distribution insights. Conduct correlation and regression for relationship analysis. These steps form the foundation of robust data analysis. Analyze sales data using spreadsheet functions. Calculate mean sales with the average function. Use frequency to assess sales distribution. Correlate sales of different products with COREL. Regression reveals the impact of advertising on sales. Constructing a pivot table organizes data efficiently. Select a data range with unique headers. Insert a pivot table into a new worksheet. Drag fields to rows and columns to categorize data. Pivot tables simplify complex data analysis tasks. Customize pivot tables with filters and value settings. Sort and group data for detailed analysis. Use filters to focus on specific data segments. Show values as percentages for clearer insights. Pivot tables are powerful for data summarization. Explore a range of spreadsheet functions for analysis. Date functions like now and today track time. Conditional functions like if and refine data queries. Lookup functions like VLOOKUP simplify data retrieval. Mastering these functions enhances your analytical toolkit. Lookup functions retrieve specific data efficiently. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP search vertically and horizontally. Match finds positions within ranges. Index returns values from specified rows and columns. These functions streamline data management. Conditional statistics functions apply criteria to analyses. COUNTIF and SUMIF count and sum based on conditions. AVERAGEIF calculates averages meeting specific criteria. MINIF and MAXIF find minimum and maximum values conditionally. These functions enable targeted data insights. Explore advanced conditional functions for detailed analysis. SUMIFs and AVERAGEIFs support multiple criteria. MINIF and MAXIF identify extreme values conditionally. Large and small functions rank data points. These enhance precision in data evaluation. Mathematical functions enhance data manipulation. ABS returns absolute values, while round adjusts precision. Rand and rand between generate random numbers. Ceiling and floor round numbers to specified significance. These functions support complex calculations. Spreadsheet functions offer diverse analytical capabilities. Date, conditional, and lookup functions streamline tasks. Statistical functions summarize data effectively. Mathematical functions enhance calculation precision. Mastering these functions empowers data-driven decision-making. In conclusion, these tools are vital for making informed decisions. Gaining proficiency in them enables users to analyze and manage complex datasets with confidence and efficiency. For any inquiries, please contact us on WhatsApp at 07484 361 688. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the next session.